Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in the CSR2 game. So let's get started right away. If you have already installed the CSR2 game on your device, then go ahead and open it up first. Now once the game is fully loaded and you have completed the tutorial, you will gain access to the main menu, which looks like this. In the main menu, you will be shown the car that you own and also various other options at the bottom. You will also find the menu option at the right side, which looks like an arrow key. Just go ahead and tap on it and this will open up the main menu. From here, tap on the profile icon at the top section and then tap on profile. Now underneath your username, you will find an edit button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will find a pen icon alongside your username. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you will be able to change your name. Just type in your desired username and then tap on the OK button and now your name will immediately be changed. Just tap on apply once again to confirm your change and now you can see that the new username that you enter will immediately be shown. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name in the CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.